Hello and welcome back to channel Tea Lover. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon for our latest update. As you all know that we are making video regarding how to get a free traffic on your website, how to create a website, how to get a free domain and hosting for your website. And also if you need a YouTube views, watch hour and subscriber, then the videos on my channel are very helpful for you so that you can get the monetization and Adsense approval in your website and YouTube as well. Okay. Also if you need the free virtual credit card also, then I have a solution for it. Besides all this, if you have problem related to Adsense and other monetization problem, then you can directly make a contact with me in tlover2054 in the Instagram so that I can know your problem and help for you. So I have a blog also, you can check out my blog. I have lot of useful content for you. Without wasting time, we'll move to our today's content. If you have already got the free domain and hosting and you are searching to get the approval of Google Adsense and the Google Adsense is rejecting your Adsense, then I have an alternative solution for you. Using this website, you can instantly get the approval for your ad and you can earn the revenue from it. Okay, we will not waste our time, we will go for it. So first of all, you need a Chrome or any browser you may like. Now type over here pop ads and go for it. Page will open over here, popads.net. Go for this link. So this is the homepage of this pop ad where you can get the ads on your website. So it's very easy and it's very faster than Google Ads. It will approve your ad just within 12 hours. Okay, so we'll just go for the sign up. So here you have to fill up your information. So after keeping your username, email, password and other personal details, then you have to go for the register. Now you have to activate your account using the Gmail. So go for your mail. In the Gmail you can find the mail from Top Ad. So just go for it. So here you will find our activation link. Just click on the activation link. Now a message will display over here. Your account has been successfully activated. Okay. So now we will go for the login. So keep your username and password and go for the sign in. A dashboard will open over here. So in the publisher panel, you have to go for the ad website. Put your website name and URL over here. Copy the URL of your website and paste over here. So you can add a description. After adding your description, you have to choose the category of your website. So just go for it and you will find the lot of category over here and you will find a lot of category over here and you have to choose your website category. Okay, so after choosing your category, you have to just go scroll down. You have to choose the ad over here. Here I do not suggest you to click on the adult content because if you click on the adult content, you may display some nudity ads on your website. Just uncheck this item and you have to go for the down and go for the ad website. It will take some time and your website will be validating over here. So they have successfully validated our website and we'll just go for the ad. Before that we have to check on these two items and we have to go for the ad website. So finally our website has been added over here, but the website is in the review over here. But it will take 24 hours to apply this review. They will manually verify your account, but they will approve this thing within 6 to 8 hours. Okay, now I will show you the website that I have already get the approve over here. Okay, so let's go for it. Here there is no restriction in any site over here. You can use .tkml or cg like this domain also, and also you can use any blogspot.com or subdomain also in this website. You can get instant approval in this website. Okay, so I have just already got the two website approval over here. So we can add number of website in a single account and you can get the revenue in the same account also. Okay, now this is the approved website. So after getting the approval in your website, you have to go for the code generator on the left screen. So here choose your website. So choose your website. I'll go for this one. You do not have to edit anything over here. Just scroll down and you have to go for the generate code. Now a code will be displayed over here. You have to copy this all code. Now you have to paste this code in your respective website. So I'll go for my website. So this is the same website that I have used and this is the same website. Now we will go for the themes over here. So if you are using another website, then you have to edit the header section of your website. Okay, so if you have WordPress website, you have to go for the appearance and you have to go for the theme file editor. So in the edit themes, you have to go for the header.section. So you will find the file as a header.php. Just click on it and here you can edit this header file. So after opening the head tag, you have to go and paste this that you previously copied from that website. Okay, so we have just copied this text and we will just paste in this website. Now we will go for the update file. Now our file has been successfully edited and saved. So after some time the ad will started to display in your website. Okay, after getting the approval of this, within 1 hour your site will receive ads on your website, and that ad will be pop-up ads, and the revenue from that ad will be added in your account from the dashboard. Okay, and you can check the balance in your dashboard that you have on from this website, and you can also review this thing. So for withdrawal of this balance you have to go for the billing and you have to go for the withdrawal, and you can select the PayPal. You can select a number of options over here, and you can directly get this money in your bank account also using this method. Okay, so it is very easy to withdraw amount from this website, and you can easily get the ads on your website. So in this way you can get instant ad on your website. Okay, so if you like the video, please hit on your like option and do not forget to click on the bell icon for our latest update. So if you have other confusion, then you can directly make a contact on till2005 in Instagram. So there are a lot of useful content in my channel. You can go for them and visit this website also. Thanks for watching this video. Till our official channel, like, share and subscribe. We will value our support. Thank you. In the admin panel you can see the data stream. Just go for the data stream, and now you can see your website over here. Just go for it, and you can find the analytic ID in the measurement ID over here. Okay, so you can select your traffic: direct, referral, social or organic one. So if you want the organic, then you need some keyword over here like this. So you have to enter the keyword so that Google will find your for your traffic. If you want the SEO ranking on your website, then you have to choose this one. So I just need the traffic only, so I'll just go for the direct one. So there are a lot of countries from which you can the traffic from, so I'll just go for the UK.